During a recession, certain businesses tend to be more resilient due to their essential nature, cost-saving potential, or adaptability to changing consumer needs. Here's a list of some of the best business types to consider during economic downturns. 1. Grocery and discount retailers. Why? People still need essentials, and discount stores benefit from people cutting costs. 2. Auto repair and maintenance. Why? People are more likely to repair existing vehicles than buy new ones during tough times. 3. Home repair and maintenance. Why? Home repairs can't be postponed for long, and people often avoid the cost of moving or remodeling. 4. Financial counseling and debt management. Why? Financial stress increases, leading people to seek debt counseling, budgeting advice, and refinancing services. 5. Healthcare services types: primary care clinics, dental services, urgent care, physical therapy, mental health services, and pharmacies. 6. Digital and IT services types: cloud computing, cybersecurity, software as a service, SaaS, managed IT services, and remote work solutions. 7. Accounting and tax preparation types: tax preparation, financial consulting, bookkeeping, and small business accounting services. 8. Freight and logistics types: warehousing, third-party logistics, courier services, and shipping. 9. Used goods and thrift stores types: thrift stores, consignment shops, and second-hand marketplaces. 10. E-learning and online education types: online courses, professional development platforms, trade skill training, and certification programs. 11. Utilities and essential services types: renewable energy providers, waste management, and water conservation services. 12. Cleaning services types: residential and commercial cleaning, sanitation services, and specialized cleaning, like carpets, windows, and upholstery. 13. Legal services. Why? Legal issues don't stop, and demand can even increase due to debt, foreclosure, and employment concerns. Types: bankruptcy law, employment law, family law, and estate planning. 14. Pet care and pet supplies. Why? Pet ownership remains high, and people still care deeply about their pets. Types: pet grooming, veterinary services, pet food, and pet accessories. 15. Alcohol, tobacco, and recreational cannabis. Why? During downturns, sales of alcohol and similar products tend to remain steady or increase. Types: liquor stores, tobacco shops, and cannabis dispensaries where legal. These businesses capitalize on either essential services or affordable luxuries people continue to prioritize, often seeing steady demand even during challenging economic times.